everyone, welcome back to my channel You and I Can Cook. Today I am going to show you how to make mushroom korma. For this recipe I have used white button mushrooms. Try it out guys, it's really delicious. And please let me know in the comment section. Also please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. First step is to grind all the masala to a thick smooth paste except the fennel seeds. Pour about 1 cup of water first. Turmeric, cinnamon and cloves. I have cleaned, washed the mushrooms thoroughly and cut it into pieces. This is about 2 boxes of mushrooms. The pan is now heated. Put about 2 tablespoons of oil. The oil is heated. Put the fennel seeds now and brown them a little bit. They are brown. Now put the ground masala. Fry the masala for some time. After 2 minutes of frying, put the masala water which is obtained from the mixer. Mix well. Let the gravy be thick. Because when you add the mushrooms will leave their water. Now add the mushrooms to it. Give it a mix. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Put half a teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, mix the curry. Mushroom has left all its water and the curry has actually become very thin. Now put the potatoes. This is one big potato. cup of green peas. Mix, cover and cook for another 10 minutes. It's almost done. Put half a teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the salt according to your taste. Give it a mix. Turn off the gas. I will plate the dish now. Mushroom korma is now ready to be served. You can have it with steamed rice, rotis or chapatis. Thank you for watching.